Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. And today I'm going to tell you the steps to get clear skin. So let's start. So if you get excessive sebum, then frequent breakouts that result into pigmentation, dull skin, then ingredients like salicylic acid, niacinamide can help. Salicylic acid is a BHA that can exfoliate deeply because it is oil soluble. It can work on breakouts, blackheads. If you have excessive sebum, it's going to take care of that. Niacinamide is all-rounder. It is so good for taking care of your skin barrier. It works on pigmentation, uneven skin tone. It also balances sebum. And the Derma Co has the power up to simplify your skincare routine with their salicylamide range that is perfect to treat your breakouts and pigmentation. Start with the Derma Co salicylamide anti-acne face wash, which comes with the power up 2 actives, 2% salicylic acid and 2% niacinamide that help to remove excess oil, controls breakouts. It also helps to unclog your pores and fades acne marks. Continuing your routine with the Derma Co salicylamide anti-acne serum comes with the power up 2% salicylic acid and 5% niacinamide, which not just helps in reducing breakouts but also treats acne marks. When the power up 2 hardworking ingredients comes together, the result is clear skin. All spectrum sun protections must have even during monsoon to prevent sun damage and discoloration. So into your skincare routine with 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel from the Derma Co. It has the power up SPF 50 and is super lightweight. It is fragrance free, leaves no white cast. It also has been lab tested. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin C give clear and glowing skin. It also feels really hydrating. The Derma Co has empowered more than 20,000 students this year through their Young Scientist initiative, and each time you buy from Derma Co, they link your order to a child they help along with for me. So you do that, and now all the Derma Co products are fragrance free. You can use my coupon code SHAMAPTI2024 to get additional 20% off on Derma Co products on their official website. The Derma Co is also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purplle and Flipkart. Second thing that helped me to get clear skin is clay mask, and previously I used to overdo it. I used this every day or every other day, which was too much for my skin. Now I use this once or twice in a week. That's enough. You can use Bentonite clay or Kaolin clay. Personally, I find Bentonite clay to be more potent. When I get very stubborn breakouts, congested pores, I use Bentonite clay. And when I think I need more gentle care, I go for Kaolin clay. There are also mud or clay masks with emollients for better texture, to make your skin softer. So how can I forget? There is this blue clay that is rich in minerals. It also helps to calm down my inflammation. The third thing, doing cold compress also helped me a lot. So I bought this towel mask from Amazon, but clean it each time you use. I soak the clean mask in say rose water or water, but I make sure the rose water or the water I'm soaking the mask with is a little bit chill. After a long hot day, it feels so good. I have noticed the difference. So yeah, this is something you can try. At number 4, I'm going to talk about basic things that we have been told. You shall sleep, then drink plenty of water, don't sleep on a dirty pillowcase, and try to get satin or silk pillowcase. Then use clean face towel. Then don't touch your face with dirty hands. Also, if you're deficient to some minerals or vitamins, then talk to your doctor, get your vitamin level checked. Recently I did this vitamin D and vitamin B12 test. Keep your hair products away from your face. I had applied one hair mask, and by mistake I applied it also on my forehead, and I got breakouts for that. So if you're wondering why you are getting breakouts out of nowhere, that might be the reason. If you're applying too many hair products that are somewhere coming in contact with your face, that can lead to breakouts. In the end, be gentle to your skin, be mindful. I hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you so much for being there. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.